Well, our friends are getting ready to go. Only for a couple weeks, and we're going to catch up with them in Quartzsite. No biggie. And Deb's going to leave, and so is Kim and Daryl. We're going to miss them. Because Shirley's been with us since we were in Quartzsite the first time. And Lily's not happy because she's inside. There's too many vehicles moving around, and I don't want something to happen. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Till we meet again, huh?
Yep. Hopefully in what, about a week?
Yep. Sweet. Oh. Yep, all hooked up.
Trimming your trailer again. Go back there, it didn't look good.
Well, I guess he's ready to go. The driver's ready. There they go. Daryl's leading the pack.
See ya. Bye, Debbie.
There goes Shirley. And Deb's bringing up the rear. Sitting here having a great get together with our friends.
It's that one big gorge, and there's like BLM land up on
Nice
that side,
fire.
and then there's like a little tiny campground on this side. And
Oh,
when we went,
I don't have you
campground
on
was under
here.
renovation, so it was closed. So we ended up over here.
Say
Beautiful.
hello, Virginia.
The sunset, sunrise, everything. It was just gorgeous. It was really nice. There wasn't a lot of area, but hardly anybody knows about it. I think it's Virgin River.
Life is good, y'all. Life is
Oh
good.
yeah.
We're back in Quartzsite, and this is our view. Sweet. All of our friends have left. Deb and Jim are way up there, but that's okay. They're going to come down to visit us. The reason we're down here by ourselves is because we had no internet up there. And Bobby's got to keep an eye on the markets. So we moved. We came down here and we have great service. So I'll be able to upload videos and he'll be able to watch the market. It's all good. What you say, Mr. Childers?
Hey, I got some internet. I'm good.
Yeah.
Cleaning up our lot.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Free place to camp. Can't beat it.
Well, not free. $180 for the season. But y'all know we've been moving around from different LTVAs. So that makes it fun. Not bad. A lot of folks have left. You can hear a little bit of the traffic, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. So I'm also going to put up a little bit of drone footage. I got a drone for my birthday. So I'm learning how to fly it. I did okay. But yeah, I had to cut some of it out. But I hope you like it. All right, talk to you soon.